Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are now at Porsche in Birmingham. As you can see here, I've come up in the S-Class and a very nice 488 parked next to me as well. That is because there's a Ferrari dealership around here to collect the new car, which is just through the window here. I'll give you a sneak peek in a second. But really nice dealership. I think this is actually the biggest dealership outside of Mayfair, London as well, in terms of allocation of cars and everything. So really good. Amazing cars here. They've got GT3s, they've got everything here as well. I think there's even a 918 around. And through the window, I don't know if you can just about see it, is the car. There it is. I'll show you a proper look of the car when we are inside. Mainly for not just me to drive, but predominantly actually my sister. So very happy that she's joining, and she's working really hard, and she's joining me in buying cars as well. So super excited for her. Came up here, did the deal, done all the specking and everything. So looking forward to seeing it properly, because I haven't actually seen it properly, and she hasn't actually seen it at all. Check out the S-Class, obviously, that I've come up in today, looking nice and clean, and then this 488 next to it, looking really good. Without further ado, let me head inside to the dealership and let's go and collect the car. So before unveiling the other car, something's caught my eye here, which a lot of people have been telling me to get, because obviously knows that I like Range Rovers. I've had a few, so I don't know what people think about this. The new Cayenne, it looks pretty nice. I'm not sure about it in this color with that interior and that on the roof, but one part of the car that I do really like is the rear. So I'm not too sure yet. Should I look at getting this car? Let's have a quick look at the interior. You see how they've changed it. Again, these new interiors are so nice. I'm just getting electrocuted by the car. Yeah, they made the interiors very nice. All the things are touchscreen now. And of course, these new steering wheels look so nice, with the dial here to change kind of the drivetrain. I don't know what you guys think. Should I look at getting a Cayenne to maybe add to the fleet? Maybe replace the Levante? I'm not so sure. They have, and they told me there's two cars coming here, so let me know in the comments, should I look at the new Cayenne as well to add to the Porsche lineup? Because I love the Macan. I think the only thing is it's just a little bit too small. Okay, enough talking, Anish. Time to unveil the car. Okay, car is behind me here, as you can see. So what are the guesses first? Let's see what it is before I actually unveil it. Those who have seen on Instagram will know already, so make sure you are following me over here. But the car is looking nice under here. A lot of people guessing that it was a Panamera on Instagram, but as you can see from the size now, it is not a Panamera. A few guesses about it being a Targa. So let me show you quickly around the showroom here in Birmingham. Really, really nice place here. Crazy cars out the back. A couple of friends have obviously collected like GT3s, GT2 RS and everything else from here as well. Somebody else is collecting a Cayenne today. That is not the other Porsche, obviously, as well. I cannot say when and I can't say what they are. I think these look so cool. Really nice colours here as well. Really, really nice colour. And the interiors have really improved on these now as well. They look amazing. Okay, to do a little bit of paperwork, and then it'll be done. Time to unveil the car. Ready? Time to unveil. There it is, the 911 Carrera T. So I don't know if you guys guessed right, but this is the car. I'll show you more around the car and the spec afterwards. Don't worry, there's things going to be changed to this car. You're going to see a few things coming up later on. That is the first look at the 911 Carrera T. Some nice red bits on the inside. Check that out. Looking really good. New 18 plate. Okay, gonna do all the little bits of paperwork that need to be done, and then show you around the inside of the car. So here's the car for the first time outside in the sun. Check it out, I'll show you the interior now. It's looking good. There you have the Carrera T badge down there, and these new kind of seats which have got this kind of like a red piping stitch all the way down, which I think look really nice, going with the red stitching all around as well. And of course, really importantly here, you got 911 in red. Nice kind of like sunroof here as well, which is really cool. So it opens up almost like the whole roof is opening, which is really nice. Let me get into the car real quick. Really, really comfy seats. I'll close the door for a second. These are cool, so you can, the 911 Carrera T is like a lightweight version of the 911, and it's a really nice place to be in, actually. Really, really nice place. And if you see over here, the steering wheel. So you got the key in here, obviously, which you just put in, and the new steering wheel is so nice on these Porsches. Especially, I love this bit here where you can kind of jump through the different settings. New kind of touchscreen here as well, which is really good. Works really, really well. It's not just a little gimmick. And of course, this is a PDK. PDK, not a manual. It's pretty cool because of course this is going to be the exhaust, and this car does have a sports exhaust. And then this opens up the roof, of course, as well, which is almost like you've got some sort of a convertible. And it seems like it's got a rear blind, or I think that's the one up there on the roof as well. There are seats at the back, which is kind of useful as well. That's nice. And the red seat belts. I love these a lot. So yeah, it's turned out as a pretty nice spec. So I will jump out, show you from outside, and as you can see, there it is, brand new, 12 miles on the clock. 12 miles on the clock. But yeah, nice car. So what do you guys think? Good choice, 911 Carrera T. Now I will say that the car is going to be wrapped, and it's going to be a nice colourful colour, hence why it was in black, because again for resale, and I think the colour that it's going to go is going to maybe not be ideal, so for resale, so to speak. So make sure you tell me what you think. What colour do you think the car should be going? Let me know in the comments below. What colour should the 911 Carrera T go, and was it a good idea to buy the car? Good idea. Let me know. I'll show you the last bits of the car. As you can see there, the wheels, I'm thinking these need to go black as well and get the calipers maybe changed, but that was to match the new colour. And as you see all the way around here, love these new things on the 911 here as well. These look really good, but maybe making those black as well. You see here the caps here are also in grey, so kind of a little bit of a contrast. But looking really good. Thank you to Porsche Birmingham here, Solihull. They've been really good with the handover, given nice little gifts, suitcases and a few other things as well. So make sure you check them out if you are looking to buy a car. And I may be back here soon actually, if we can do a deal on something as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. There it is, the 911 Carrera T. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.